Hey, my name is Gaille. I'm a Looker Studio expert and the founder of Gaille Reports. And today came to you with a gift. True, I prepared a free Looker Studio template for online store. To get this, you just subscribe for my monthly newsletter. Just it. Let's go and observe the template. This is one page Looker Studio template based on Google Analytics for demo account. The first page is for desktop and second page contains the same data but is perfectly fit for iPhone screen. So you can see your sales funnel from your mobile. I think it's super comfy. In this template you have purchase journey. You have session start and users view products, add to cart, add payment info, and purchases and total revenue. Then you have nice picture with sales funnel and detailed table with exact items that your users bought. When you get this template, you can click three dots and click to make a copy. In pop-up that you see, please change demo account to your own. I will change to my website. I have to show you my data, but anyway, I don't think that you can do something with that. When you copy the template, you will see that funnel doesn't work. Don't be afraid of that. Just click to allow. It's third-party visualization, so it's totally fine. As you can see, I have some missing data here, and it's absolutely normal because these score boxes and sales funnel use filters, and filters use event names, and for sure your website, as my website, has different event names than Google Analytics demo account. So let's fix it. Go to new page, add chart, create simple chart, be sure that you added your data source, and our table will contain event name and event count. We just need this table to see how our event called in real life. So my first stage called session start. This is default event, so any Google Analytics 4 account will have it, so let's stay here. But second stage of my funnel called visited store. Just find your case, how do you call it? Go to resources, manage filters, and view items. That is second stage. Just rename to visited store. Next stage of my funnel, it is, where is it? Basket. I mean, like users added something to basket, and Google called add to cart. So change event. Next stage for me, checkout. Same thing, I changed this add payment info to checkout. And purchase I have, you see, I have purchase the same as Google. So let's go to the first page and double check what do we have here. All data in a place. So report is already work. We don't need this page, so I just remove our extra page. And your dashboard is ready to use. If you want, you can easily change colors of your dashboard, that I really recommend you to do it. You can customize colors and do it by yourself, or you can extract colors from image. I have one here. It already looks super different. Change logo, change maybe, you need to change colors of fonts to make it more readable, but that is it. It already looks like a new dashboard. And don't forget to publish it. Click here and publish current version. That is it. You can find a link to this page below this video. Hope you like it. So subscribe for my YouTube channel, subscribe for my blog, and enjoy your gift. Talk to you soon.